In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate the sum in multiple Excel tables. If you have values stored in more than one table and you want one total, Excel makes this very simple with the sum function. The idea is to tell Excel which ranges you want to add together, even if those ranges are in different parts of the worksheet. Once you understand the pattern, you can use it again anytime you need a combined total. Start by clicking the cell where you want the final total to appear. This is your target total cell, and it is where Excel will display the result after the formula is complete. With that cell selected, type equals a sum, and then an opening parenthesis. This begins the formula and tells Excel that you want to add multiple values or ranges together. Next, highlight the data range from your first table. For example, if the numbers you want to total are in cells B2 through B10, drag across that range so Excel inserts it into the formula for you. This is usually the easiest way to avoid typing mistakes, especially if your table is large. After that first range is added, type a comma. The comma is important because it separates one range from the next. It tells Excel that you want to keep adding more data from another location instead of stopping with just one table. Now highlight the data range from your second table. For example, if your next set of values is in cells E2 through E10, select that range. Excel will add it right into the same formula after the comma. If you have additional tables, continue the same process. Type another comma, then highlight the next range and repeat until every table you want included has been added. Once all of your ranges are listed, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and then press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the combined sum from all of those selected table ranges and show the result in your target cell. A simple example of the finished formula would look like this. Equals sum opening parenthesis B2 colon B10 E2 colon E10 closing parenthesis. That formula adds the values in both ranges together in one step. When you build formulas this way, it is a fast and reliable method for combining totals across multiple Excel tables without adding them separately first. That covers everything you need to know.